In this topic, I will show you how to register in our website and how to enroll in the DeltaV online course. The first step is to visit our website. I will provide the address in description section of this video. After visiting the website, you should click on courses. When you select courses, you will have access to all free and premium courses. DeltaV online course is a premium course, and you need to click on view more for enrolling. And if you are not registered, first you need to register. So in order to register, you should click on login, and you will have access to this panel. The next step is to click on register. Here you should provide a name and email, and you also should verify that you are not a robot. For name, please use a name, and this name should be available in your certificate. So you should select your proper name here and avoid using any other fake names. So when when you click register here, you will receive an email, and that link will provide you information to set password for this username, and after setting password you can log in successfully to the website. After log into the website, you have access to the courses, and you can enroll. The free courses can be enrolled without any payment, but the premium courses you need to pay the price or pay the fee for enrolling. So you should click add to cart here. The next step, it's also possible for you as a registered member to see all the syllabus. But it's not possible to check them all because this lock sign is activated. So you click add to cart, and this is your card. You need to proceed to checkout. In billing detail, please provide your name, first name, last name, country, street address, suburb, state, and phone number, and then click this button. This is the pay with Bitcoin. From the Bitcoin family, we support BTC, that is Bitcoin, and BCH, that is Bitcoin Cash. I personally recommend to use BCH because it has lower transaction fee or lower network fee. It's cheaper to transfer BCH over the BCH network. So you can use your own hot wallet or hardware wallet to transfer the BCH or BTC. I personally prefer the hardware wallet because it's much safer. So I selected here to pay with BCH, so I need to copy the amount and the address here to transfer. If I have the software wallet, I should select send here. The amount should be copied here, and the address should be copied here for a trouble-free transaction. So the copies are done. When everything is okay, we can send here, and the transaction is finalized. Here you can see that the transaction is confirmed by the BCH network, and after that you have access to the to your course. If you have any trouble in this stage, please contact us. I will provide some email addresses. You can contact us and we will solve the problem as fast as possible. The next step is to follow the instructions and take the course. There are many lessons. You should read the instructions for each lesson, and you need to download the file related to each lesson. There are some video files and there are some project files. You need to download all of them for each lesson. I check, and I highly recommend to you to have a notebook to write down important points. It's very crucial for better learning, and it's easy to remember things on a notebook while you're writing and reading frequently. So when you finish the course, you click on complete, and it will be completed like that. After completing all lessons, the next step will be taking the quiz. Let me explain more about the video files. Video files are not cannot be opened with the regular players like Windows Media Player. I provided the player for you because the video files are encrypted. So download the player. It's in the how to manage the course, the first lesson. Download the player, and after downloading you can install that easily. On Windows 10, no requirement, but for Windows 7 possibly you may need some .NET frameworks, like the case here in my Windows 7 installation. You can see that .NET Framework 4.8 has been installed, and after that the player can be opened. You have access to this icon. When you double click on this icon, you need to enter your username and password, and now it's possible for you to open any files you want. You can watch, you can take notes, and for each lesson you need to function test the program in the DeltaV environment. You can also log out from the player with this icon here. It's the same login, logout icon here. So after finishing all lessons and completing all of them, now you can take the final exam, final quiz. You need to answer to 64 true-false questions, and after correctly answering to all questions, you will receive your the total points. If it's more than 90, you will be passed and you will receive your certificate. So that's the end of the course, and I think you may need around 1 month or 2 months to fully understand the concepts and to be able to take the course. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and I hope you enjoyed this video.